cleaning up trailer. Yeah, these are our parts. He unloaded all the customer parts. Now we're unloading our parts. And here's my carbon hood for my 240. Gonna go throw it on. Lino's here. She's gonna help me put this hood on. Hey, don't.
Looks like a box. Looks like a toy.
Hold it. Momo, hold the box. No, not push. Hold it. Hold. No, not push. Hold it. Hold the box. As you can see, well, everyone knows I lost a van last time I went back to Utah on freeway. So we're gonna replace with the carbon hood. Woo, looks nice.
Sick, bro.
No more holes. Jordan, you need it for your pace car. Show
Yeah, dude, I want to show everyone my K8.
What you have. Coilovers for my 240. Swapping coil, the brand new D-Max coil. Sheesh. Boom. Put in D-Max Super Strict coilovers and OMD Martin's tension rod, CNC'd and all good stuff. Even CNC color. And I got tie rods. Since last event, me and Rob hit it a couple times. I hit Rob door, and this is from that Rob's quarter, and I hit Rob on this side. So tie rod's bent, so I got extra too. So I'm working on whole front end. Jordan's doing some TikTok shit.今日は整備士ですか? Everyone's working on cars. Yeah, she had nothing to do, so at least she could loosen some bolts. Yeah, taking coil bolts right now. Coil nuts. About to take these bolts, and coil will be off, and take these bolts, and this tension rod will be out. And I had to change tie rods too.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
2 hours later.
So I had her change my titanium bolts for the top hat and nut from the old coils. Just installed Martin's OMD tension rod. These are so nice. For more clearance. Oh, that I didn't film, but I cut and shortened the sway bar inch, so it has a little bit more clearance. OEM sway bar. Scrap enabler, Martin's short knuckle, and his CNC tension rod. We're about to go land. Cleaning and little stuff. Josh used my van last time and he didn't fill it up, so I can't make it. And he needs to fill it up. So all I can take is my 240. I don't have a receipt, but Jordan's fit.
Backrest, bro.
I can't. He's about to break his back.
This is my seatbelt. I feel like I'm in a roller coaster.
Do you know where my jumper pack is? Seen it anywhere?
We took it out of your trunk and then you say you needed a charge.
Back of Kota Toyota's race car. Freaking sick backrest. My seatbelt, super safe.
Hey Jordan, are you okay?
I'm ready to get out. My butt has been virginized.
Holy crap. Is it like 10 miles? And it's like pretty rough road in like last mile.
It's rough.
How's your back?
My back's fine, my butt's not.
Vibrating the whole time, sitting on the metal floor. Alright, let's get to work. Bobby's merch is fire.
Hey.
Just popped one for me and my girl. Go support him. He got a bunch of other colors. He can do hoodies, crew neck, joggers.
Look that fire, that's a drip right there.
Show that
Beach.
t-shirt.
Hey,
And back.
dripping.
So I support him.
The Rasta hologram.
He got the hologram.
Oh, man.
What's your Instagram name?
Bobby Low-Eye.
Bobby Low-Eye.
You know it.
Bobby
Low-Eye
Low-Eye. Low-Eye Media.
Along that way. And then put this thumb on top. Yeah. Just make sure you're not like around the slide. So you hold it like that, you squeeze it good. Like you're gonna push up, pull back, and
It's okay.
watch your thumb.
Gone for the first time. どうだった？
楽しかった。怖かったけど。
Yeah, it was that, all I had left was buckshot.
That
so
one
it's
like blows.
bigger one, yeah.
Katai. Katai.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, and
Brought other GTR from Utah. I got the other white GTR coming in. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow. So I'm gonna go drop it off at land. And going to pick up a white GTR tomorrow. Let's go. What wheels it on? GTR's off. GTR's.
Let's go with the 2 car.
Oh. That was easy. Finally, we're going to pick up the white GTR from the port. Josh got his car landed, so he's going to pick up his car, and I got Mark II and white GTR.